In this video, we are going to see how to create an expense for a particular customer. So logged in as an admin, go to expenses tab. From this button, we can record an expense. Here we need to attach the receipt for an expense. We can specify if it is repeating. We can specify the name of the expense, add a reference number, and provide a note for that particular expense. We can specify the category for that expense, expense date, and amount. We can also add the text for that expense and select the customer and save. So after saving the expense, it will be listed here. We can view the expense. So these are the details of that particular expense. We can also edit the expense. So we need to specify the receipt, if it is repeating, and how many cycles will it be repeated for. And we can specify the name, reference number, notes. All this can be edited. We can add a task for that expense to our staff member. Here we can also add the staff member to the task. Also we can add the reminder for this expense. From this more button we can copy, print and delete the expense. So this is how we use the expense.